In today's video, we will see how to fix the VSeeBox invalid source error 5710. Source input not working fix. So to invalid source error the 5710 on the VSeeBox indicate a broken or dropped streaming connection. These steps resolve the issue. The quick fix is the fix 1, change the server. While playing the content, you can press the up arrow on your remote to open the server menu. Now try selecting a different server like example 8. Then clear app cache and go to the app where you get the error and hold the select OK button on your remote and select app info and choose clear cache. Next, the step 3, reboot the system. Unplug your VSeeBox and your internet router from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Plug them back in and let the network reconnect. Next, advanced fixes. So fix 1, check internet. Run a speed test, slow your unstable connection, frequently trigger source error. If possible, connect via the Ethernet cable instead of a Wi-Fi. Next, the fix 2, use a VPN. Some internet service provider the ISP restrict streaming, turning on a VPN like IP Vanish or NordVPN can bypass these blocks. The fix 3, update firmware. Go to your device settings, click on About or System to check for the latest firmware or app update. Goodbye and thanks for watching.